In one of my previous short videos, I was talking about how you can get your favorite online products at a lower price than usual. Well, here's a proof. I got this extendable mini tripod at only 53 rupees. The maximum retail price of the product is $7.99, but we all know no one is going to pay that much for a mini tripod. The product is listed on Amazon at a price of $194 to $230. As per the price history app, the product's lowest ever price was 191 rupees. Then how did I get the product at only 53 rupees? Well, you see, most sellers on Flipkart or Amazon drop the price of certain products for few minutes to clear their stocks. I have subscribed to a few Telegram channels which give me instant update regarding such flash sales of various products, starting from premium laptops to regular toothbrushes. You can also subscribe to such Telegram channels if you like to get updates regarding price drops of various products online. Now let's talk about the mini tripod. It's from the brand Everycom, and as you can guess already, it's a made in China product. However, there is a sticker on the back with a QR code which allows you to verify whether the product is genuine or not. The box certainly gives a premium feel, so let's unbox it first and then let me give you a first impression of this item. So the box comes with this mini tripod, a mobile holder clip and a pouch to carry around the tripod. It is a decent product that you can put on your table and shoot videos with. It also comes with 3 months warranty. The tripod has 14 cm long aluminum alloy metal body and the legs can be extended up to 20 cm, and they come with this anti-slip rubber at the bottom. It can certainly hold your smartphones and lightweight digital cameras, but I would suggest you handle it with care and do not mount any heavy object like a DSLR camera on top of it. The mountable top is adjustable, so you can fix your smartphone or digital camera at 90-degree angle if you want the top view. So that was my first impression of this product. I hope you liked the video, so give it a thumbs up and share it with others. You can also tell me about your favorite part of the video in the comment section. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it. You can check out my previous video here. Thanks for watching.